Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your interest in your Bumble account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. Just click on the button right here. Then you will be redirected to a page like this, that is date profile. Well, here's settings just below it. Gonna click on the button right here. Then as you can see, the settings page has opened up. Well, right here you can see something like choose mode, snooze, and the thing we're looking for right now, I'm interested in. Well, right now, this option is selected. You can simply change your interest from right here. It's up to you. If you want to change to men, click on this button right here that says men. Else, if it's everyone, click on this button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we change your interest in Bumble. It's quite easy. It is just about adjusting the filters. Well guys, that's about it. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.